Have you ever wondered why you are not able to line your eyes and achieve a very lovely and seamless eyeliner on the eyes? And you keep trying to line the eyes, but it's not working out. Do not worry yourself because in today's video I got you covered. Okay guys, my name is Ify Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you step by step how you can actually line your eyes and achieve a very seamless and lovely eyeliner. Okay guys, so first of all I'm going to be starting with my Zaron gel liner and my flats and gold brush. Okay guys, so when I want to start lining the eyes, I start from the inner part of the eyes and I kind of go with a straight line. You know how the eyes and how the eyes is, like the shape of the eyes, how it's just straight. So I kind of try to go with a straight line, not feeling it. So one thing I do is I outline the eyes and I don't fill it in immediately. So I outline to get the shape first. So when I line out and I equally wing it out with that straight line that I'm going with, as she's looking down, I make sure that the straight line is actually very, very like straight. Is a line that is like straight. I don't know how to say that. Okay guys, so when I achieve the straight line, so just you are going to be looking at this one and see how I just keep going straight. I'm not bending my hand. I just follow the line that comes out from the inner corners of her eyes and just move outwards straight. When I'm getting to the outer V side, I kind of move up a little bit, not just like moving up, but I just winged it out straight upwards. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to join the winging out with the lower lash line, like the water line. So I'm going to make sure it's joining that particular line. So when it joins the line, it's going to now be a very sweet lining. So when you look at the two lines, you are going to these two eyes, you're going to see that the outline that I created they are the same thing. Is very nice because I follow the same process to outline it. And remember, my client has a very bigger eye, so when I intentionally gave more space for these eyes. The lining. Okay guys, so after that I now begin to fill it out. I begin to fill it in. When I begin to fill it in, I'm gonna see that I actually gave it a little more space than usual. Okay, so I just carefully fill it in, making sure that my lining and everything is still intact. I don't ruin it when I'm trying to fill in the brows, fill in the eyes, the eyeliner. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to equally use the same eyeliner. I'm going to use the same eyeliner and the brush to like fill in the downwards. Like the waterline. I'm going to equally do the same thing because I want to achieve something nice. Okay guys, so yeah, at the end of the day, this is actually the end. This is how I did the eyeshadow and I hope you love it as much as I do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put on your post notification. I'm going to see you next time. I love this eyeshadow look and I know you do love it too. See you next time. Bye.